Here, teacher. Teacher, I can't share screening.
Why?
I don't know. I can't. I think you lock it, teacher.
What?
I think you lock it, teacher.
I don't know why I lock it.
I don't know.
What unit are we in? Are we in?
Unit, teacher. We learned. We has learned units. The festival around the world, teacher. I think it is unit 9. Yes.
And sources of energy. So today we learn
Yes.
sources of.
Yes, teacher.
How many sources of energy do you know?
It is coal, solar energy, wind energy, biogas, nuclear, let me see, gas, natural gas, and hydropower.
Okay. Do you know that see what kind of that energy I forgot that one. Okay, I will tell you when I will tell you when I have it. Okay. Let me see. Right. So today we start our lesson now. Sources of energy. Right. And here is the new words.
Yes.
We have footprint, environment, sources, energy.
Yes.
There are some new words, but I think they are all words that you have already known so far.
Yes, teacher.
Now listen, listen to the conversation between Nam and Mai, and then I'm gonna ask you what are they talking about. Okay?
Yes.
Unit 10. Sources of energy.
Unit 10, page 38. Getting started. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Nam, I read yesterday that we all have a carbon footprint.
Well, we all have footprints. We make them with our feet.
I know that. But this kind of footprint is about the negative effects we have on the environment.
Right. It's in the news a lot these days.
So, our footprint is bigger when we use energy that produces carbon dioxide. That's bad for the environment.
So it's better to have a smaller footprint, right?
Right, Nam. Non-renewable energy sources like coal, natural gas and oil produce a lot of carbon dioxide. Those sources are going to run out soon too.
So they're different to wind, hydro and solar?
Yes, they're all sources of energy too, but they're renewable. That means we can't use them all up. They will last forever.
Do you have a big carbon footprint, Mai?
Mine's small. I recycle the products I use and I go everywhere by bike. We have solar panels on our roof at home to catch the sun's energy too.
Oh no! I think my footprint is big. And not just because of these big shoes.
Okay, teacher. Yes.
Yeah. Now, what are they talking about?
They are talking about the footprint and sources of energy.
Yeah. Okay. And what are the names of sources of the energy sources in the conversation between Mai and Nam?
Name, teacher.
Mm-hmm.
It is non-renewable energy and renewable energy.
Okay. Do we have non-renewable and renewable energy sources?
Yes.
Good. Right. Here, what is a carbon footprint?
Carbon footprint is about the negative effect we have on the environment.
Okay. What does non-renewable energy mean?
Non-renewable energy means it can't non-renewable energy means it produces a lot of carbon dioxide.
Okay.
Yes,
What else?
and they are going to run out soon too.
Okay.
Yes.
And why is sunlight a renewable source?
Sunlight is a renewable source because let me see. Because sunlight is a renewable source of energy, and we can't use sunlight all up. They will last forever.
Yeah, it will last forever. You can use it all up.
Yes.
Or why does Mai think she has a small carbon footprint?
My think she has a small carbon footprint because my recycles the products she uses and she goes everywhere by bike. And like my family has solar panels on their roof at home to catch the sun's energy too.
Right? Okay. Here, what things do you think might create a big carbon footprint?
I think the things might create a big carbon footprint. It is about many negative effects we have on the environment, like use coal, natural gas, and oil. It produces a lot of carbon dioxide.
It's forever. Right here. Now, we are going to complete the network by using the information from the conversation between
Yes.
I and
Yes.
now please tell me some renewable resources.
I think it is wind, sun, and can you return, teacher?
Turn with
Return the conversation of Maya Nam. Okay, teacher.
some renewable resources. Please tell me.
Renewable sources is sun, a solar, wind, and hydro.
Hydro and non-renewable sources.
It is coal, oil, and natural gas.
Now, this one we are going to listen to the words and phrases, and after that we are going to repeat. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Unit 10. Page 39. Getting started. Activity 2. Now listen and repeat the words and phrases.
Wind, coal, natural gas, nuclear, biogas, oil, hydro, solar.
Can you please read these words? Pronounce.
Yeah. Wind, coal, natural gas, nuclear, biogas, oil, hydro, solar.
Right. Now, we are going to name then some
Yeah.
of the renewable sources on the table.
Yes.
We have example here, wind. Can you please name some of other renewable sources?
It is solar energy, biogas, hydropower, uh, I think it's
Have
yes.
renewable sources.
It is coal, oil, natural gas, nuclear.
No.
Yes, and
Nuclear. It is
yes,
renewable source.
yes, teacher. Coal, oil, uh,
Natural gas.
yes,
Right. Now, we are going to do some of the uh, grammar structures. We here use the future continuous tense for an action in progress at a definite point of time in the future. Yeah. Now let's take an example. This time this week, this time next week, we will be studying Unit 11. So this time, but next week, we will be studying Unit 11. So this time, but next week, the future continuous tense, right? Do you understand the future continuous tense?
yes, teacher.
Yeah. Right. Now, work in pairs. Tell your partner what you will be doing at the following points of time. Tell me.
Yes,
Tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon. What
yes.
will you do?
Uh, I will be playing football tomorrow afternoon.
Good. This time tomorrow afternoon. Remember.
Yes.
This weekend.
This weekend, I will be visiting my grandparents this weekend.
Okay. Okay. And this time next week, what will you do?
This time next week, I will traveling to Ho Chi Minh City.
Okay.
Yes.
And or when you are
For
15 years old.
let me see. I will be like I will be having the 15th cake when You will be having the 15th cake when you are 15 years old.
Trying to make sentences. Okay, now we have some new vocabs here.
Yes, teacher.
Look at the first. Limited, renewable, safe, clean, cheap. What is limited?
Giới hạn.
And limited, non-renewable, dangerous, polluting, expensive. What is polluting?
Ô nhiễm.
Harmful, exhaustible, convenient, available, and abundant. What is abundant?
Có nghĩa là nhiều.
What is exhaustible?
Bị hao mòn, bị kiệt, bị cạn kiệt.
Okay, all right. Now, yeah, we are going to see some advantage and disadvantage of these natural resources in the table here. Can you please name the advantage of water or hydro?
It is unlimited. It is unlimited, safe and clean.
And what is its disadvantage?
Disadvantage, I think it is not always available. Oh, I think it is like sometime it will be polluting.
Solar. What is
Solar.
And
I think it is abundant, clean, and safe. But disadvantage, it also expensive. Biogas advantage, it is safe, clean, and renewable.
safe, clean, renewable.
And disadvantage, it polluting.
Nuclear. What is
Nuclear
the advantage?
advantage is renewable and abundant, plentiful.
Plentiful. And disadvantage?
I think it is dangerous.
Coal, oil, natural gas.
Advantage is I think it is cheap.
Is the disadvantage?
A disadvantage, I think it is non-renewable and
Harmful.
yes.
Here are some pictures, and please tell me, are they?
The first picture is solar panels or solar energy.
Good, good. Two.
Two, it is coal.
Okay. Good.
Three, it is wind energy.
Last one.
And the last one, I think it is nuclear.
Now, please complete the sentence number 1 on the screen.
Yes. I think it is solar energy is renewable. Moreover, it is clean and safe.
Good. Number 2.
Number 2, it is using coal is polluting and it is dangerous.
Yeah. And number 3.
Number 3, it is wind power is abundant. It also clean and safe.
Last one.
The last one, nuclear energy is renewable and clean, but it is dangerous and dangerous and polluting.
Okay. Right. Now the pronunciation.
Yes.
Here we are going to listen to some of the words on the screen.
Yes.
Can you please tell me which words are stressed on the first syllable and which ones are stressed on the second syllable?
Yes. The first syllable.
You're
Unit
going to
10,
listen.
Yes.
page 40. A closer look, 1. Activity 4. Listen and repeat. Which words are stressed on the first syllable and which ones are stressed on the second syllable? Put them in the appropriate columns.
Dangerous. Easily. Abundant. Enormous. Expensive. Energy. Limited. Plentiful. Convenient.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. First syllable, which words?
I think it is easily plentiful energy. Energy, teacher.
Okay. And limited.
And yes, and the second syllable is abundant, convenient, enormous. Yes.
Unit 10.
Okay, right. Here we are going to complete the grammatical
Yes.
structure.
Yes.
Grammatical structures. Using the future continuous tense.
Yes. Yes. On Sunday, they will be putting solar panels on the roof of our house to get power.
Good. They will be putting.
Yes. At 9 o'clock on Monday, we will be taking a test on sources of energy. Next, at this time next week, my dad will be installing new glass in the windows to stop heat escaping. Number four, by 2020, people in Vietnam will be spending a lot of money on heating. And five, it is by the middle of the 21st century, people in developing countries will be using energy from the sun, the wind, and the water.
Developing country.
Yes.
Right. Here, we are going to write what these students will be doing tomorrow afternoon. For example, we see a picture here, and then we are going to say, Jenny give a talk about saving energy.
Yes, teacher.
And Helen put solar panels in the playground.
Yes.
Hold on, just a second. Okay.
Yes.
Here are 5 sentences for you to write. Can you please write them down on your notebook and then use the future continuous tense to describe some actions from number 1 to 5. And then show it. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, now I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. Go.
Hello, teacher.
You finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Number 1, what is your answer?
My answer for number 1 is Jenny will be giving a talk about saving energy.
Good. Number 2.
Number 2, Helen will be putting solar panels in the playground.
Good.
Number 3, Susan will be checking cracks in the water pipes. Number 4, Jake will be putting low energy light bulbs in the classroom. Number 5, Kate will be showing a film on types of renewable energy sources.
Okay. Easy, right?
Yes.
And this one we are going to design
Yes.
questions from no some verbs from number 1 to number 7. What
Yes.
tense are we going to use? And what do you think? What tense?
We will use the future simple tense and the future continuous tense.
And number 1, what do you think?
For number 1, I think it is will watch it. Will watch.
2,
2, will we put.
will we put? 3,
3, it is will be having.
we're having. Okay.
Yes.
4,
4, I think it is how will we travel to school and to work. 5, I think it is we will walk or cycle to cut air pollution.
last one. I know 6.
6, it is will be cycling.
And last one.
And I will be going to school.
I will be going to school on my skateboard.
Yes.
7 o'clock tomorrow. Wow.
Yes.
Did very well. Here we kind of passive voice
Yes.
used in the future continuous tense.
Yes, teacher.
For example, no, we do not have the example here. Here, a test on alternative sources of energy will be taken by class 7A.
Yes.
This is a kind of, will be taken. This is a kind of passive voice used in future continuous tense. Okay, right. Now we try to practice the grammatical structure more and more. Now change these sentences into passive voice. Number 1 to 6. For example, we will use low energy light bulbs. Low energy light bulbs will be used.
Yes.
This is the example. Can you please change sentences from number 1 to 6 into the passive voice?
Yes, teacher.
5 minutes, go.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, number 1, what is your answer?
Number one, I think waves will be used as an environmentally friendly energy source.
Okay. Yeah. Two.
Two, a network of wind turbines will be installed to generate electricity.
Good. Yeah.
Number three, in the countryside, plants will be burnt to produce heat. Number four, energy consumption will be reduced as much as possible.
Five.
Five, alternative sources of energy will be developed.
Okay.
And number six, solar
Six.
energy will be used to solve the problem of energy shortage.
Shortage. What does it mean?
Sự thiếu hụt.
Very well. Right. Now, this is here. I
Yes,
want
teacher.
you the homework for you. I want you to complete the magazine article with the passive form of the verbs. Here are
Yes,
steps.
yes, yes.
But we need to put them into the passive form and then fill them into the blank from number 1 to 5.
Yes.
Is the homework. And
Yeah.
thank you for joining me today. And I
Yes,
hope you
teacher.
learned something new today. Okay?
Yeah. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Right. And it's time to say goodbye now. And I'll see you on next time. I don't remember the exact time.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Goodbye and
Goodbye.
see you again, teacher. Bye.